Okay, today's fun. Of late, I've been burning through lots of bags of Quickcrete concrete mix, and well, today I went to go get some more, and I usually go to the Home Depot to do this stuff, but today I thought, well, I'll go to Lowe's and buy some. And what I have here is a bag that says Quickcrete cement mix, and this is a bag that well, let's flip it over. On this side, concrete mix, 50% off. Bought this stuff half price because, well, let's just dump it out. Well, besides paying half price for this stuff, Quickcrete supplies to Lowe's these really nice bags that, well, these certainly can be reused again. Not something to be thrown away after, wow, this is a supreme bag, Quickcrete, okay, so enough about that. I will save this thing and use it again. And what do we have in here is what used to be a 50-pound bag of Quickcrete concrete mix, and it kind of got busted. And, well, I got the stuff for half price, and there's still 90% of the material there, so no complaints. And what I'm going to do with this stuff is I need to add water to it and mix it up like so. And what I'm doing today is creating a pretty sloppy mix. I'll spend time mixing that, but what we're going to do with this stuff after I mix it up is we're going to move over here. Is this the spot? Boy, I hope I set this up. Here we are. I've already mixed up a few bags of this stuff already and been dumping it in here. And, well, I've been chasing away at my rubble pile, and it is nearly gone. Happy about that. And the objective here is to build up these steps. Well, I want to have a really nice top surface on the steps, but and I want to have a substantial footer below that. So what I've done is I have used up big chunks of rubble here to fill it in, and now I am dumping concrete in here in between all that stuff. And, well, that's how we're doing this. So what I do once I there's got to be a better camera angle for this. Must be. Geez. How about here? Is this gonna work? All right, here we go. I dumped all this concrete in here, and this is some really wishy, sloppy mess kind of concrete. I do not need any great strength here. I just want it to be solid, so I mix it up kind of wet, and I'm just smushing it in between all these pieces of rubble, like so. And then taking the margin trowel. Where did I put that thing? Jesus, right here. Here it is. Margin trowel. And working it. And I'll probably spend like another hour playing with this stuff. As you saw, I just mixed up another batch that's going to go in there. And I'll throw in a few more bits of rubble before it's done. Because, well, at this point, on my stair build, I am no longer looking at dirt. Everything here is now concrete. I have, even though the steps are not done, I at least have some kind of rough steps. So, and we're just gonna pull this stuff down and pump it in here. I set all these pieces in, and they are solid. Just gotta. Okay. Enough said.